Yeah. We can go right ahead with it now.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. When your name is called, you have to offer obeisances to Srila Prabhupada. First to Srila Prabhupada, then here to Shri Radha Lananishwar, then to Guru Maharaj, and then you have to sit here for saying the principles and other things. So the first one is Christopher. Please pay obeisances and be ready. Okay. Yes.
In accord with what I just said, it should be understood that you're accepting initiation into a whole sampradaya. It's not just me and my guru. There's a whole big sampradaya. We can become members of that. We have many helpers, many guides, and after you accept, you can also offer obeisance to Maharaj and all the devotees here. Yeah. Wait, no, that's not. Oh, okay. I discussed with Maharaj and we came up with
I promise to follow the 4 regulative principles.
Yes, please speak in the mic.
No meat eating, no illicit sex, no intoxication, and no gambling. I will chant a minimum of 16 rounds daily.
Hare Krishna. This is a name that Srila Prabhupada gave to one of his disciples, Chaitanya Devadas. Hare Krishna. I'll have to update you. Yeah.
Next, please be ready, Bharat. And after that, Priyanka Mataji.
No meat eating, no illicit sex, no gambling, no intoxication, and I'll chant minimum of 16 rounds.
Daily. There's also a name Srila Prabhupada gave to one of his disciples, Prananath Das. I think you're all familiar with that name from the last verse of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Shikshashtaka. Then Mataji, Tayari. Sit properly.
No meat eating, no illicit sex, no gambling. No intoxication. And chant 16 rounds every day.
Minimum. Okay. Bharat Mahasundara Das. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. It's only one, so it doesn't matter if I stretch my arm. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna. Guru Maharaj, I am taking vow that I will not, no illicit sex, no intoxication, no gambling, no meat eating. And I will do at least 16 round of Hare Krishna Mahamantra daily.
Priyeshwari Radha Devi Dasi. Hare Krishna. Priyeshwari. Priya means dear. Ishwari means queen. So Radharani is a dear queen, or she's the queen of her dear Krishna. You can take it either way. Hare Krishna. So the next thing is chanting Hare Krishna and being happy. Is that right? Anything else to do? Anything left in the program? We have to thank all the devotees who have worked very hard for organizing, doing everything that's required, cooking, cutting, cleaning, donating, etc. The devotee who's been organizing asked me not to say his name, so Hare Krishna. Thank you all for coming and making this festival possible. And thank you for giving your mercy to the people of Oldham and Manchester by going out and chanting the holy names. They can all hear and be purified. And some of them took books also. I'd mentioned a few countries devotees had come from. I left out Sweden and Denmark. So I'm saying that now to set the record straight. So, there's going to be a sacrifice. Where is that? Outside. Okay, go there and do that then. And then take prasad and chant Hare Krishna and be happy forever. Hare Krishna. Now the time is 1:08. Okay, I think there's still some devotees wanting to meet me, so after 2 o'clock at the place I'm staying at. 2 o'clock and then again at 4 o'clock.